Don't get bullied by insurance companies. Call Jason Ernest and bully them back at 775-727-9500.
Right now, when we started the program, as far as the Veterans Benefits Banking Program, there was about 180,000 people who were receiving their benefits on a monthly basis via check. And over the last 2.5 years, we've been able to see 145,000 of those people convert to traditional bank accounts. Now, we do have generate new payments every day. So we're constantly seeing more and more check recipients, so we're constantly having those discussions. But yes, we have historically seen veterans and their families using same-day cash checking operations and or paying at a bank to have their funds remitted to them by way of check. When veterans receive a check, those are more susceptible to being lost or stolen or manipulated in some way, shape, or form. And also during national disasters, hurricanes and tornadoes, it's tough to be able to get veterans their funds if they're displaced. So when they get access to a direct deposit account via a bank account or a credit union, it certainly provides them the ability to be safer, to get their benefits on time. And if there are instances of fraud, it allows those to be investigated quickly. And many times veterans are made whole within hours of reporting a fraud instance.
Is direct deposit the best way to go?
Absolutely, without question. Not only is it the law, in terms of people receiving their benefit payments via direct deposit, it certainly, again, is safer, it's more cost effective for our veterans, and with a bank account, it also provides them access to financial tools and financial counseling and education that traditional banks and credit unions often provide.
And then how can you help people build wealth, to build up that savings?
Well, I think for us, it's really around educating our veterans and their beneficiaries about the tools that are available through banks and credit unions. And again, with the financial education that each of the members of the Veterans Benefits Banking Program are committed to, additional to financial counseling that's available and credit counseling, it allows us to be able to talk about those tools that will help veterans and their beneficiaries become financially independent, and also how to accumulate and protect their wealth.
Do you find that in general a lot of veterans have debt and or money problems?
They can, and I think they're no different than everyday Americans, who haven't served. I think we're still susceptible to the same challenges and issues. But again, with that education and then the tools to use to protect themselves financially, it certainly puts them on a path to be, again, more financially independent.
Anything else you'd like to add? And most importantly, how can people learn more?
If you want more information about the Veterans Benefits Banking Program, you can go to veteransbenefitsbanking.org, and there's information about not only the program, but also information about the 40 banks and credit unions that participate in the program. And also, if you have questions and you want to talk to someone, you can always call to the National Call Center at 1-800-827-1000, and one of our call center representatives will be more than happy to provide insights and information and to help you through the process.